Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without a phone number. First, you can easily create your PayPal account using just an email address. When signing up, ensure you provide all your personal details accurately. This helps verify your identity later. After setting up your basic profile, you will need to link a bank account or a debit card. This step is crucial for funding your account and making transactions without needing a phone for verification codes. Once your account is created, the next step is to verify your email address. PayPal will send a link to your registered email. Simply click it to confirm. For full account functionality and higher transaction limits, you will need to complete identity verification. This usually involves uploading a valid government-issued identification document. Connecting a bank account is also essential, as it allows you to send and receive money without relying on a phone number for every transaction. Sending money is straightforward. Just enter the recipient's email address and the amount you wish to send. They will receive the funds directly. To receive payments, simply provide your PayPal email address to the sender. The money will appear in your PayPal balance. You can then transfer these funds from your PayPal balance to your linked bank account, typically within 1 to 3 business days, all without needing a phone. Maintaining strong security is vital. Always use a robust, unique password for your PayPal account, and consider enabling two-factor authentication if you ever decide to add a phone number. Regularly review your transaction history to spot any unauthorized activity promptly. If you encounter any issues, PayPal's customer support is available to assist you. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.